southwestern Minnesota. The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Cottonwood County in southwestern Minnesota, southeastern Murray County in southwestern Minnesota until 3 p.m. At 2:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located near Westbrook, or 14 miles east of Slayton, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Staunton and Westbrook around 2:40 p.m. Jeffers around 2:45 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Build shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Cottonwood and Murray. The National